beautifuls, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do another spring makeup look, but now with this purple. Like always, before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. I'm just going to start with this orange concealer just to cover my dark circles, and we're going to do basically the opposite because I always start with the eyes and then the foundation, but because this makeup look is going to be very simple and I believe that there's not going to be that much fallout, so I want to start with the foundation, the face. I'm just going to add this creamy concealer from Maybelline just to have more coverage on those spots, also around my nose and on the side of my lips. I'm just going to blend this with my fingers because it's a creamy concealer, and so it's easier to blend and it looks more natural. As the foundation, I want it to be again very lightweight. I'm going to use the Morphe 2, which is a tint with which this is in the shade Hint of Honey, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid in the shade Vanilla. I'm just going to add some toner. So now I'm just going to contour my face with the Tarte palette. I'm gonna add more contour because sometimes I feel like when I edit the videos, I feel like I need more contour. For concealer, this time I'm gonna use two. You know, I love the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Light Sand, and I'm gonna go also on the outside of my under eyes with the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. So now I'm just gonna add some blush. This is a very light pink. So on my nose, I don't know why I always say I don't like some blush on my nose, but right now I like how it looks for this spring summery look. Well, yeah, it's the spring summery look. I'm gonna put some setting spray. It smells so good. This is so yummy. I can't even eat it. I'm going to highlight my face. You guys know I love the Urban Decay Afterglow, and as always, I'm gonna get the color Cliché. Now we're just going to combine everything, the contour, the blush, the highlight. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use first the Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette. I'm going to set my eyes with the shade Alfresco. So this is basically just to set the concealer that I already applied before. And we're going to do the same thing on this side too. For today's makeup look, I'm going to use the Los Angeles palette from BH Cosmetics. This is from their travel series. We did 3 makeup looks, 3 channels. If you guys missed that, I'll leave the link down below on the description box. But I'm gonna go with the color that I've been obsessed with, which is a purple one, and it's called Kidney. And we're going to start applying on the outside of the eye. It's gonna be a very simple makeup look, so it's not gonna be so dramatic. So as you guys can see, I'm just doing circly motions, not putting too much pressure. So I'm gonna start taking this on my upper crease and start blending the color really slow, because then I tend to go very dramatic with makeup. So I'm gonna go slowly. I don't know if you guys have been obsessed with the purple color, but I've been so obsessed with the color. For me, I can do like a makeup look with the purple for the entire month for you guys, but I know you guys are gonna be bored. But I can use purple every single day now. Purple is my color at the moment. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the inner corner part of the eye. So it's gonna look something like this. Grab some more color and start blending color. Oh my, it is so pretty. I love it. We're just gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna go now with the other eye. Now I just finished on this side of the eye, just fixing a little bit. Now I'm gonna go again with the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go with the color Champagne on Ice, which is this beautiful glittery gold champagne, like it says. I already put my fingers, or basically my nail on it, with a very, well, not tiny, but with a flat brush, not too big. I'm just gonna start applying this Champagne on Ice on the middle part of the purple, on the middle part of my eye where we left it basically kind of blank, and just add that color. And what we're gonna do is basically drag this glittery eyeshadow on the purple. I already did on the other side. I'm just fixing a little bit. I'm done with the eyes. However, now I have this issue where I don't know if I put falsies or not. The falsies that I have are dramatic. However, I don't want the look to be so dramatic, because my other falsies that were more natural, we can say, I lost it. I think they're gonna appear sticking on the sweater, not mine, my husband's sweater. So I don't know if to just put falsies, the dramatic ones, or just curl my lashes and put some mascara so the look looks more natural. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Oh my god, it's been a while I don't curl my lashes. I never curl my lashes. Oh my god, I'm so new to this. Okay, so I think I like the mascara how it looks. We're just gonna wait and let them dry, but I think I really like how the lashes look more natural, even though we have a lot of, let's say, a lot of pop of color. But now moving on to the lower part of the eyes, I'm gonna go again with the purple, but I'm gonna use a very tiny flat brush, and I'm just gonna put this purple very close to my waterline so it doesn't look that dramatic, but it still has that pop of color. Now I'm just gonna apply again some mascara on my lower lashes. To finalize this makeup look, I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss lipstick, and this is a lipstick super pink, as you guys can see. This is in the color Seashell. This we're going just to apply on the middle part of the lips, and I'm going to use my favorite lip gloss from L'Oreal Gold Mirage in the color Crush Court. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Love this makeup look. It's so cute, so girly, very spring. Since I bought the Los Angeles BH Cosmetics palette, I'm obsessed with this purple. Again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I like it so much. Oh my god, I don't want to take it off.